everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel How To. If you want to delete your Facebook page, then this video is for you. So let me show how you can delete your Facebook page. Go to your account and top right side, then switch to your Facebook page which you want to delete. Okay, I click on this. So now you are interacting as page admin. So what you have to do, go to the setting and privacy. Then click on setting. Okay, here you can see privacy option. Click on this. In the privacy you can see Facebook page information. Okay, now click on this. In the bottom you can see deactivation and deletion. I have to click on view. Now you can see both of options. Deactivate your page temporarily or delete your page permanently. Whatever you want to do you can do. First option is deactivating page for a few days if you are busy or there is some other reason, so you can deactivate and you can resume your page later. But if you click on delete page, you will not be able to uh, resume this page again. This will be deleted permanently. Okay, I click on delete page and then continue. Then you have option if you want to download your Facebook page information or you want to transfer this information to other account or your some other page. Click on continue. Then enter your password here. This is Facebook password, Facebook account password. Once you have entered your password, your page will be deleted permanently within 30 days. You have 30 days time if you want to stop Facebook from deleting your page, so you can choose before 30 days. So this is how you delete your page, Facebook page in mobile laptop. Now let me show you how you can delete your Facebook page in mobile screen. Okay, this is my mobile screen. I will open my Facebook app. Then same, go to your account and then switch to your Facebook page which you want to delete. You can see here. So I will click on my page icon and then go to settings like I did before. Setting, and then there is a different option. You can see in page there is page settings which I click on. Okay, now you can see in Facebook page information. In this tab, there is access and control. Click on this. Now click on deactivation and deletion. Now there are two options which I discussed before. So delete page, continue, and then you have to provide the reason why you want to delete your Facebook page, so you can uh, choose whatever you want to do. Then you can transfer or save your information like I explained, and now you can enter your password here and your Facebook page will be deleted permanently within 30 days. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. That's all for today. Thank you.